As-salamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name's Abdul Karim, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about giving away people's stuff as charity. This is not charity. You know, if you, let's say you have your family, right? You have your kids, you have people, and you're giving away their things without even asking them, even if these are your children, right? Things that you've given to your children. But if you take away their toy without asking them and give that away as charity and say, I've done a good deed. This is not a good deed. You know, giving away the property of others to other people who are poor, when you have no permission to give away that property, even if it's the property of a child. You know, if there's a child with a lollipop, you do not have the right to walk up to that child, snatch the lollipop out of their mouth and give it to another child who's poor. That child may be starving. That child might be starving, but you still have no right to just randomly take something that belongs to somebody else and give it to somebody who's poor. You have to ask their permission. You have to get their agreement. You have to get their acceptance before giving to the poor. So, brothers and sisters in Islam, if you find yourself in a situation where you're tempted to give something away that doesn't belong to you, or something that was entrusted to you for your care, but it still doesn't belong to you, do not engage in this. This act is so wrong. I mean, I don't know if it's a sin. I don't know. I'm not the sin counter. I'm not the one who has a list of what is and isn't a sin. But it's just wrong. Morally, it's wrong. So I'm urging you guys, do not do this. It's not even an act of charity. It's just shifting property from one place to another, and it hurts people who own that thing to begin with. Ask permission. If you think that this thing that you think belongs with somebody who's poor, ask permission of the owner first. So come to goodness. Remember your Rabbul Alameen. Come to goodness.